So what is the Precision Jet Fighter cover mod and what is it all about? Well, here we are assembling a 6870. On the left is the stock S housing, which is still ported shroud. They got that bullet hole machining in there. And to the right here is the T51r mod or Jet Fighter mod cover from Precision. This is now factory direct from Precision. So this is based on an old JDM turbo made by HKS called the T51r. And this was a custom machined billet insert, still keeping the ported shroud or ported cover design. But the way it was designed was to enhance the sound of the compressor wheel, hence why they call it the Jet Fighter mod. So it exponentially creates a bigger whistle or louder whistle from your turbo than just a factory cover would. Other than that, there's really not much in terms of performance gains. The good news is, since the turbo doesn't technically react different, you don't have to worry about changing your tune to put one on. The bad news is it's kind of a noise mod. It's not something that's actually going to create more power. Now, it does sound like it creates more power because the volume enhancement of the turbo spooling it makes it, for if that's what you like, it makes it an unbelievably pleasurable driving experience with that whistle, and it is just everywhere throughout the spool and RPM range, even up top when it gets louder. It's just a nice option. So here it is, ported S cover on a 68 mil Gen 2 Precision turbo. Here is the compressor wheel. Nice ball bearing. We're assembling the turbo, so we're assembling it with the Jet Fighter mod per the customer's request, but we wanted to take the standard cover out so that you guys could get a comparison and see what everyone is talking about and why these things really are just not staying on the shelf right now. Pretty cool. Link is in the description. We typically have these in stock and we do offer polished options as well. Thank you very much. Bye.